Hello, my name is Skylar Fair, and today I will go over how I made my Google survey form, as well as how I use the results from that Google survey into a spreadsheet. First off, I'm going to start by clicking on the Google Forms link. Under Personal, I will click on Go to Google Forms, create a blank form. Here, I will put a title. The title that I used was the hypertension bot. So I'll just copy that here. And then underneath, you can put a short description, which I will put here. Now for the first question, I will be, first few questions, I will be asking basic demographic questions, such as age. So what age range do you fall under? And if you hover over option 1, you can click on it, it'll highlight, and you can enter your age ranges. So for mine, I put 17 or younger, then 18 through 20, 21 through 29, so on and so forth. Then you'll click the plus sign over here to add a question, and here you'll continue to ask your demographic questions, and I believe the next one is gender. So here I will put, what gender do you identify with? And as I did before, I'll enter in my first option. And to enter in an additional option, you just click on add option. And I guess because I've previously filled this out, it already had it saved, so it already pre-filled it out for me. If you want to add other, in case a participant doesn't identify with any of the choices, you can do so by clicking add other option, and then that will give the opportunity to write out what they would identify with. So after you answer those demographic questions, I would go over here to the double bars, click on add section, and here is where I will add the link to my chat box. So I would say click here for chat bot. And to get the link from your chat bot, I went back to my Google Dialog Essentials, went under web demo, well, integrations, then web demo, and highlighted this link here where I'll copy and then add it to the description bar. Now to add the video, simply go over here to this menu bar, click add video, and you will upload your video on YouTube, which I did. And once you've uploaded to YouTube, you're going to click on your video as if you're going to view it. Then here in the bar here, you're going to highlight, copy, and enter it here in this space. Then click the magnifying glass so they can search. Here, it'll pop up. You can click on it and click select, and here you'll see the video. And up top, you can also label this video. So I will label it chatbot tutorial and click save. So after that, you want to add the questions pertaining to your chatbot tutorial. So click add questions, go to the first one, highlight that, copy it, and you are going to paste it here. Going to add a question mark, and the answers are going to range from a scale to 1 to 5. You can always change it by clicking on the down arrow and adjusting it to your liking. For this one, we're just going to put 1 to 5. And then you can label it strongly disagree if it's a 1. And if it's a 5, strongly agree. Also here, you can change the response answer. So it can be a short answer, or it could be multiple choice, as you've seen before for the demographic questions. It could be, and as you see here, it can be a linear. So it'll be strongly disagree, as it was before, strongly agree for 5. And then can answer the next question. But up here you can see that it will format it in a scale format. So once you finish up with those questions, you could send this survey to other people via email. So you can put the email address here and click send, or you also have the option to click more and then get pre-link to your survey here, and then you would just highlight this again, and you can put that in a text, you can put it in your email or wherever you want to put it. So now to do the Excel spreadsheet, once I received my responses, what I did was click on responses, which you'll see who responded, and the different age ranges and genders and race and so forth, and you can see the results from that. So to take those results and put it in an Excel sheet, you're going to click on this green box with the white lines, and it will automatically put everything in the spreadsheet accordingly. Okay, so once you have it lined up properly, you can always adjust the column size if you need to individually, or you can do it for every one of them by clicking the first column, pressing shift, clicking the last column, and then as you adjust the first or the last column or any one of them, it'll automatically adjust all of them the same. Assess raw score, you are going to go up here and click the equal sign, parentheses. You are going to go up here and click the equal sign, parentheses. And then you are going to, so for the first one, according to the instructions, for every odd question, you are going to -1, and then for every even one, you're going to -5. So we're going to do that there. So press the equal sign, then parentheses, and then you are going to, so the first one is an odd number. So again, with the odd numbers, you're going to minus the number by 1. So start with J4 -1, close parentheses, plus, and then open parentheses, and then again, so for the even, so K will be number 2, you're going to press 5 minus K2 parentheses, and then plus, and you're going to continue that on. So as you can see here, and one that's already done, you can see here for every odd, I minus by 1, and for every even, minus by 5. Now to get the sus final score, I went to Tools, Script Editor, and it's already there, but what I did was copy this code. So I highlighted it, copied, and I'll show you on one that I have not done yet. So Tools, Script Editor, and then I highlighted whatever's there, and then I paste the code here, and then I click, I titled it sus, rename, and then I saved it. So that way, all I had to do was the equal sign sus, and then I would parentheses, click on the column, comma, next column, comma, next column. And I did that until I got to the last number, close parentheses, and then press enter. And then it gave me the sus final score. After the average score for this column, I just press equal sign average, and then T2 to T12, and Excel went ahead and calculated that for me. And I did the same thing for the final score, as you can see here. So that is my tutorial on how I completed this project. Thank you.